Well, after a long drive, still found muddy water. It's not as much of it. But it's not good. I don't imagine we'll be fishing here. Alright. Found a little better water. At least appearing to be a little better water. Never fished here before. We have no idea what to expect. And it is still dirty, it's just not crazy dirty. There's a wire, but not barbed wire. Let's see if we got any interested fish in here. There is a fish. And he kind of was interested in the, I slowed it way down here.
It's probably just hiding right in that slack right there. There's one.
Alright.
Oh!
Oh!
That was a deep, medium-sized 10-11 inch brown.
Ooh. There was a fisher. Fishy?
You see him go airborne?
Yeah. There's a fish.
Nice little brown.
A nice brown. And unfortunately, he's not lunch yet.
I was going to say, 3 weeks from now.
Beautiful.
That
That's perfect lunch, yeah. Nice fish. There we go. That's a nice one. Rambunctious. Might be hitting slow, but they got plenty of energy right now. Holy moly.
Yeah. Got it right in the tongue.
Ouch. There he goes. Nice brown. I like that whole little ledge right there, actually.
Yeah, there's a bunch. Seems to be a bunch of fish stacked up just on this side of that foam zone.
There's another one.
Not getting skunked. There's another one, eh?
Another small brown. Boy, rambunctious. That's a total hit right there. In fact, you can use the pliers for extrication. Oop, there, oh, we got him. There he goes, guy about 10. Strong guy. I think there's more fish right in that little area than we're thinking. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's screwed. No, I got that stick.
Well, I'd say there's a little bit of muck in this stream.
Yeah.
My boots weigh about 5 pounds right now.
There we go.
Another little psycho brown.
hand wet here. Pretty fish here. Wow. Oh, he totally missed it.
Side of the head.
Underneath his face. Another pretty silver brown, about 10. Was going.
Yeah, that's a really nice drive.
Oh, it's beautiful, yeah.
The valley in
Oh, triple hit. You know what I've noticed already, and we've seen it before, they're laying on those clay cuts. Here's a better fish. There's a better fish. Yeah, here's a nicer brown. That guy's definitely about 15, huh?
Yeah, I'd say.
Yeah, kind of pale. Get him on the stick. He kind of foobarred up my net for a moment. Yeah, 15 on the dot.
Nice.
Nice fish. So he rolled in this net and caused a bit of a scene in a net circumstance that usually doesn't have any trouble. So he got a little busier than usual. It's rare when you screw this net up, I tell you that.
What's that?
It's rare when you get one stuck in here.
Yeah.
If you want to give yourself a guaranteed aneurysm, go fishing with that stock Fable netting.
Yeah. Yeah, that shit works great.
Woo!
If your goal is to cut as many holes in the net as possible, I highly recommend it.
So this is the same $20 Fable hoop that I've had now 5 years. Four years.
One.
Yeah, 4 years. And the hoop is great. It's very
Yours
durable.
Is the 20. Mine is one size smaller.
Yeah, it's durable.
The hoop is great.
That even their tangle-free, quote, tangle-free stuff is just junk. Let's see if we got a bigger one here. Knew there'd be one there. Knew there'd be one there.
There's almost kind of a timber crush. A little fatter
Pretty,
one.
pretty.
8-incher.
Yeah, pretty.
He was right. Where did that fucker come from?
Came screaming at it. Right the last second he dodged out of something down there. Rock or...
That's what I mean, I don't see anything.
Here's another. This guy's a little more yellow.
Yeah.
Pretty 8-incher, something like that. There you go.
Ow! Oh, he's foul hooked. That's why he went so hard. Fucking bottom side. Right through the pectoral fin.
Ah!
Break it?
Yes. Dirty bastard. Uh-oh.
That guy took the hook in his fucking fin.
Ooh.
The pectoral fin, right at the base of it.
Ooh, that's smarts.
Oh!
Told you that was going to be the bomb. Look at this. Look at this.
Nice
Yeah, that's a nice one. There's a 13.
Fucker! That was a 14.
Yeah, 13, 14. Nice one.
There's a whole bunch of them sitting right on that ledge.
Nice.
Came out from under that crap, came all the way to the shallow water before he hit it. That would be
Nice one.
opening day murder right there. Nice
Yeah,
chunky
nice
12.
yellow looking fish. There he goes.
He hit it right about where that dark line is. He came straight out from the shit and just crushed it.
You did see a riser over there?
Yeah. Unless something fell off the hillside.
There's a nice one, huh? Another little guy? It's about the average fish. Oh, it's a little better than the average. It's a footer, 11.
All 3 hooks.
Just had a bite. Oh no, I didn't. Please.
Skinny, but
Pretty.
fish.
Pretty fish. There we go.
Came off the bank. There's a nice cut there. He hit it hard too. Right through the nostril.
Right through the nose. Hope you get him. Yeah, there's a nice one.
Oh, he took it deep.
Isn't that a son of a gun? Best fish of the day can't be eaten because it's not season right now, folks. But that is like perfect grill size too.
That fish is dead as fuck too. Damn, look at the teeth on this sucker.
Yeah, that's a nice one. It's like 16, 17, something like that.
Yeah, 16. Sorry, buddy. Good luck.
Yeah, you ain't gonna make it.
I mean,
Bleeding bad. It's
he
too
had
bad.
the whole lure in his mouth. The snap was in his mouth. Rambunctious little 10, 11 inch fish.
Yeah, nice, nice. Nice one.
Right out of the middle of that foam line. He was just hugging the bottom. This one's got cool colors. Real black on the back.
Yeah,
Right,
neat.
all the super silvery ones we've been.
Neat, neat, neat. Oop. There you go.
Rowdy. Oh, he's fouled. That's fine. No, no.
I have to go back to a panther.
What's that?
I'd have to go back to a panther martin.
What are you using?
Ah, one with a clevis.
Oh,
That.
that's a nice little fish. Oh, shouldn't be too much different.
No, no, they usually work good. Usually work good. That's that gold. So, caught a nice fish here. Oh, I'm gonna have to change the battery. Okay, so I just had a nice catch and the battery was dead, but we'll get them up for posterity's sake.
That is a chunky
Nice
fish.
17.5 incher.
Is that all?
Well, I can measure them again. You got your stick handy?
From right here. You mean
18.
18 and
Well,
a half. Almost 19.
Almost 19. Yeah, looks a little better than when
Yeah,
I
it's
first
definitely
looked.
better than 17.
Nice fish.
Big male with a pipe too.
All right, we are on, and we'll get him free. And there's nothing wrong with that fish. He was hanging out in the net here,
Oh,
just having a good old time. Woohoo!
All right.
19. Excellent.
Yeah, pull some out of the hole like that.
All right, well, not a bad outing.
Yeah, we got some fish. After the first stop, I wasn't convinced we were.
Little mud city there.